Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's me Nichelle and I do fashion related videos. This channel is all about fashion hauls, vlogs, travels, and much more. So, today in this video, I'm gonna be doing a day in a life vlog. So, I just woke up and it's currently 5:30 a.m. and guess how bright it is? It's so bright and it's so sunny. The the temperature is quite hot. So, I woke up this early morning because we are going to Swindon and our train is actually at 8:45. Actually, it's at 9. So I woke up early. As I'm an early bird, I like to wake up early and get things ready so I don't get late. So probably I'll be leaving home at around 7:30. So I just woke up and thought of having a nice breakfast. It's been long. I haven't had a nice breakfast because I don't know, the weather has just turned and I don't feel hungry at all. Like in winters you tend to eat something nice, but now you just don't feel like eating anything. So I'm just frying some luncheon to take with me. So I definitely know I'm gonna feel hungry at around 9 o'clock and I don't want to buy something or get something from out. I would like to, but not at that time. So I'm just gonna take something, just few things, but just four or five of those actually. And yes, starting off with this one, we are just gonna have some breakfast and get ready to go out. So let's do that first. So, yes, let's go. And breakfast is ready. My tea in the morning is a must and some croissant. Also, Cookie woke up early, so as she saw someone or see anybody who wakes up early, she tends to wake up and starts playing. So she woke up with me today. And yes, this is the way our day is going as of now, and it's currently 6 o'clock. So I'm just playing with Cookie as I just do my daily routine. So, yeah. And I had my breakfast and took a nice shower, and look at the stuff I have in this. It's quite helpful to keep a lot of things. Hello guys, I just got ready and I'm going out today. So we are just going to Swindon, so it's gonna be a day out kind of day. So I woke up quite early. I woke up at 5 in the morning, but I just couldn't wake up from bed because it was so tiring. I just went uh, for a party the previous night, yesterday. So I was so tired. I didn't know what to do, but I finally got rest, but I'm still sleepy. As you see, I have still have the curtains turned off. I have not opened out the curtains because it's so bright. I don't want to have that in my eyes. So here is my outfit for the day. Oh my gosh. And the same jeans that I wear every time, and I feel like that's very comfortable now. Last year it was, I actually did not like this jeans, but then I'm just wearing this vest from H&M, a waistcoat, and that's it. But I can't find my inner. I don't know where did that go, but probably I may have one. So I'm just gonna wear that because it's so deep here, I feel. So let's just wear that. I wanted to do a video in the morning, but it's so tiring. I don't know what to do, but let's go. And outfit check, it's quite comfortable and very affordable as well. So everything is from H&M and Zara. So let's just go quickly. and so got into the train, and it's currently 9:10 right now. So I like Elizabeth Line because it's quite quick. If you want to travel to Reading or Swindon, we just got tickets for about £80 for 3 people. Even for 2 people it was coming to £80, so it's basically the same thing. If you want to go even 3 or 2, it would make the same amount of money. And also grab some snacks because I felt hungry and I wanted to like eat something. So we came to Reading, and this is the other train that we had to like take. It's a change of a train from here, and it was so full, there was no space, so we just sat anywhere there was space left. So and we finally made it to Swindon after an hour. It just took 1 hour to reach here, and got all my work done within an hour as well. So now we are going to Swindon outlet because we have a lot of time to like explore. So what else we could do? So we just came here, so thought of like going here as well because we are paying so much amount of money. So it should be useful. So we just came to Swindon outlet, and I came here almost 1.5 years after. I came here November 2023, so it's been long, and I usually like don't go out anywhere. Probably I like to like sit home. So it was kind of a nice day of planning out to go to Swindon. Also, I got my work done, and here is the outlet. There are a lot of things, but there's some beauty outlet, and then also this pro cook kind of where you get a lot of affordable things. Everything was on sale as well, so we came into Next, and there were not much of things, so we just came out, did not get anything from there, and we came into M&S, and I saw these night suits, and I don't know, they were so cute, but I did not get one because I felt like I would get from Primark as well. So I should have bought, but never mind, it's okay. And just came into this random store. We had 50% off as well, but did not buy anything from here. So I just came to like see, nothing much, but just to explore, because no matter how much I get, I don't go anywhere, nowhere on vacation, so probably I would not buy anything. Also, I came into Dune London, so I want to like see a nice pair of heels, so I did not find anything over there because they had limited stuff. And then I was looking forward to come into the store where I could get a nice fossil watch, and finally, with a lot of decisions, I finally got one because it was a lot of thing. I actually did not want to buy because the prices were quite expensive, because last time I had got one for a good deal. Actually, I got two watches for a very cheaper price. So we came in to have some food because I was quite hungry, guys. I can't tell you how hungry I was. It's currently 1 o'clock right now, and we just got in some KFC. Did not go anywhere else but just this, and I was fully satisfied, so I'm quite full now. And yes, with this, we starting off with the second part of exploring some more. So we came into Nikes, and again, I did not buy anything for me here because as of now, I got nothing. And then I stepped, so came into Kurt Geiger, and I was eyeing on this bag for a long time. It's kind of really cute, but definitely not getting the black one. And then also came to Nikes, so Ashford got some shoes, and I did not get anything again because last time I got shoes from here and I just wore it once. Just once, nothing else. But see the shopping that we have done, saying I haven't got anything probably. So yes, it's currently like 3 o'clock right now, and almost done with exploring the stores. So yes, this is the way it is, and there are a lot of deals in Nike. Actually, all of those were 50% off on sale, and it's currently 4:30ish now. So got some coffee from Costa's, and I don't take coffees, guys. I want to look aesthetic, but I don't drink coffee, like it's too strong for my body actually. because I can't take in coffee. I just fallen sick. So it's already time up and we have to like go home. So we got into the train and I did not notice there was a dog sitting right under my legs. So he was just sitting quietly, and yes, made it to Reading again and done with all the shopping. Also, we were about to miss the train, the earlier train probably, so we got into earlier one and finally made it to our Hounslow. So we came back home
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. So I just we just came from Swindon yesterday and it was a long day itself. It was so tiring. Not tiring actually, it was a very long day. We enjoyed a lot and it was fun. We went after almost 1 year to Swindon. So we did a lot of shopping. Not a lot, but a bit of shopping. We went to Swindon outlet and then we had a lot of fun. I, Ashford, and my cousin. So we all went together by train. It was really quick. It just took us like 1 hour to go and come after we were coming back from Swindon. So it was good. I'll tell you all the expenditure and what we did and how we traveled itself. So I haven't spoke really much on those videos, but I felt like I should talk now and tell you about it. So it was good. I am so tired, I can't even tell you. It was a long day because I am all messed up myself. My room is so messy that I don't even know. Once it's messy, I just get so annoyed that to do a lot of things. Also, the weather is quite okayish ever since yesterday. Yesterday was the 22nd of June and it's okay. The weather was okayish. It was quite windy. All these other days it was so hot I can't even sleep. So yes, I'm just going out now because I don't have any groceries at home. Not groceries in the sense I don't have to like go and buy some meat itself. So I'm just going. I'm so lazy. I think it's already 9:45 right now and the weather is okay, so I'll just go and come really quick in like 1 hour, because if I see something I'll be stuck over there and I don't want to like waste time. So let's just go super quick and come super quick. So let's go. Hi, say hi. Say hi. She's just resting. I think so. She's a bit sleepy now, so let her just sleep for a while and then she'll be on track to play with her balls. She loves playing with everyone. So look at her, she's quite sleepy. And finally out and about for a nice grocery shopping. So I love to actually go for shopping walking, but not in the bus because it takes too long and it's slow, I tell you. So I came into early and I'll just pick up whatever I need. So got some onions and of course a bit of things. I also needed some tea powder as well. So I got one of those and I tend to forget what I have to like buy. So I don't know like what to do. So sometimes I just tend to forget what I came for actually. So I have to like note down everything I want to get next time. So I just got a few things. Also picked up some tomatoes, onions, and also some basic needs. So I just got this and I don't have to like get anything much. So I'm just gonna go home really quick because it's really hot as well. So I like coming for grocery shopping because it just gives peace. It's something new that we have to do in adulthood, so it's a nice experience as well. But sometimes it gets really hard. You just feel lazy or stuck in bed to like be home, do nothing. So came into Iceland as I forgot something, so I just came in to get some lemon and stuff and got some bread as well. So yes, and made it home. So I'm just gonna do a quick grocery haul here and also cookies right here. So I got her some treats, and I got her this tasty licks, so with chicken, and she's gonna eat this because she likes some of this, and she also eats as well. So yes, that's good. And done with the grocery haul. So also got a nice jar from Asda, and it just costed £2, and it's quite big. So I got this for to put my tea powder and stuff, because I do not have one, because it takes a lot of space and I just have one cabinet. So just used to like keep that whole box inside. So now I got this from Asda, and it's quite affordable, so I just got one of these, and the remaining tea powders I just kept in the box itself, because those come for 240 tea bags, and it's quite a lot. So I'm just gonna like fold all these uh bags right now, because sometimes it just gets here and there. So I'm just gonna put a rubber band itself, and also have to do cooking and stuff because I have nothing to eat. So I'm just gonna do some chicken, whatever I can. So I'm just gonna do some rice and chicken as well. So let's just do that quickly. And it just took me 1 hour to like go and get my things. So that was nice. And also chopped some onion, tomatoes, chicken is marinated. Also um gonna saute it really well. So we'll do this first and see you in a while. Hello guys, welcome, and I'm back. It's 12:30 right now, and I'm done with grocery shopping. It just took me 1 hour to go do the shopping and come back home. Just 1 hour, and I'm done with cooking as well. So I just made some chicken and rice, because I don't know, I didn't want to like make something else, but because it just gets spoiled really quick. Even if you like keep it in the fridge, I don't know how it does happen. So yes, I'm done with cooking, and I'm so happy because now I can finally do something I like. Actually, I like doing everything actually. So it's currently 12:30, and I have to like clean my room because it looks really messy. So I have to like clean the room and also take a shower because I feel itchy right now. And yes, so yesterday we just got something from Swindon, so I'll be doing this as another video. I'll do a Swindon haul, Swindon outlet haul. So nothing much I have bought, but just a few things. So yes, I'll do another video in that, because I wanted to like put it up in this video, but it would like take too long. It would be extended at least like 40 minutes, and that's not what I like, because it takes days for editing. So yeah, and I have to like also organize everything because it's so messy. I just hate seeing messiness in my room. So yeah, I will catch you up later. And also cleared this section right here because it was really messy, so I just kept things in place because I don't like to see mess all around. Also like cleared the room, also vacuumed it really nicely, and this is how the bed looks now. Nothing much. Also I have to like change the sheets next week probably. And also I vacuumed the space right here, and this is how the way it looks. It's quite sunny outside. So yes, I'll end the vlog here, and hopefully you like this video. I know it's nothing much I showed you, but I felt like I vlogged a lot. So yes, hopefully you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.